In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your form styles for a seamless professional touch. This process will allow you to craft forms tailored specifically to your business needs, whether you're creating invoices, estimates, or sales forms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well acquainted with adjusting key elements within your forms to enhance their functionality and appearance. Let's start by diving into the platform's interface. First, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your gateway to the customization settings. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this selection, choose the option labeled Custom Form Styles. This will navigate you to a space where you can either edit an existing form template or create a brand new one tailored to your specific preferences. Once you've selected or started a template, direct your attention to the content section. Here, you'll come across various structural components of the form such as the header, the table, and the footer. These sections are instrumental in defining the overall layout and structure of your document. Now, to further personalize your forms, you'll want to focus on the Custom Fields option. It's nestled within these sections, and it's your tool for adding more specific information or attributes to your forms. Upon clicking Custom Fields, you'll be prompted to add new fields, which could be anything from specific customer data to pertinent project details unique to your operation. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to capture or showcase additional information that isn't standard on typical form templates. Think about what kind of details are essential or beneficial for your recipients to see at a glance, and integrate those into your fields. After you've carefully tailored your form with these additional fields, it's crucial to save your changes. Saving ensures that all the adjustments you've painstakingly made won't be lost and that your template is ready for future use. Locate the Save button usually at the bottom or top right of the interface and select it. This action will secure your newly customized template for all subsequent form creations. Finally, with your template saved and ready, these custom fields can be employed whenever you are drafting invoices, estimates, or sales forms. It not only adds a professional flair to your documents, but also ensures that all vital information is covered, ultimately streamlining your business communication. Remember, customization is all about reflecting your brand's identity, so take your time to ensure your forms accurately represent your company's tone and style. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to apply what you've learned by creating and customizing your own forms. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business processes.